Here. I gotta hit record on here.
Hi, pretty girl.
Oh shit, did it go off?
Can we hold her? Hi, pretty girl. She's coming. Hi, come here. You gonna go in the water?
Papa, you wanna take a bath?
Wanna take a bath? Laura's first bath! Yay!
Good girl. Good girl.
What do you think? She's drinking it. How did I know she would be doing that?
Do you have a cup?
Yeah, here. I actually have the fountain, but I don't want to do it. Look what I got.
Good girl.
Good girl. She's licking everything. Oh! No, stay in, baby. Stay in. Get a little butt wet. No.
Stay.
Down.
Stay.
Hold on, we're going to get your face. I'm sorry. Sorry in advance. Oh, puppies.
Lola.
Let's do the soap thing here before she starts crying.
Come on, Lola.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
Lola.
No. Keep her down. You're in charge of keeping her in. Yay. Watch her face. Don't try and keep it away from her eyes. Get your little tail. Come here, let me get your little legs and your little butt and your little belly. How's that, Lola? You doing good?
You like it,
You
Lola?
doing good? Try and bring her back. Come here. Go back. Okay, now you can get your face.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Here you go. Drink the water. Yay.
Lola.
Oh, it's
Hey.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, honey.
I got your little butt. No, stay. Stay. Oh, stay down.
Lola, stay.
Stay down. Stay down, babies. I'm gonna get her underbelly and try and rinse her better. You're gonna be so pretty. So pretty. Did you get soap on your head? Oh.
Yeah. I didn't really rinse it off, though.
Oh, come here. Close your eyes. Oh, your face. Oh, I'm sorry. I know.
It's okay. Lola, stay.
Ah, down.
Lola, stay.
Wow, yeah, she doesn't know stay yet. She's a baby. Are you clean? Come here.
Good girl.
Let's see your little belly. Just lay you down.
She's not going to lay in the water, Jessica. Girl.
You're a good girl.
You're a good girl.
Like, what happens if you don't get them rinsed good enough? Good girl.
Good girl.
Is your face dry? Do you think she's rinsed enough on the front end?
Yeah. It's okay.
Oh,
Good girl.
oh.
She's shaking.
Yeah, well, doggies
girl.
don't like that.
Good girl, Lola.
Come here.
You're a good girl.
Oh my, it's okay.
Good girl.
You poor bastard.
You're traumatizing her.
I'm not traumatizing her.
Good girl.
Yay, you're all done.
Good girl.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Good girl.
Good girl. Mwah. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you're shaking. You're cold. Poor little naked monkey. You want to tape her? You want to aim it at her? Oh, say it's okay. Say it's okay. I liked my first bath. I didn't really like it. It was your battery stuff.